483 and no battery. This isn't your regular CLK for your Sunday bingo drives. It's a little more special than that. It's a CLK DTM. I think Mercedes built 80 convertibles, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know much about this car, but it's very expensive. It's 483 euros, so more than you can afford, pal. CLK DTM convertible.
Has a full diff cooler,
Audi.
coilovers, Eisenman exhaust. Look at the whole carbon tunnel here. Look at
Yeah, it's aftermarket, you see.
How cool is that?
Volkswagen Audi.
Yeah, one rock.
Yeah, you got rock, that's it, destroyed.
It's meant for the track.
No, this is crazy. Like, you guys are not seeing this. It's full carbon fiber.
I know.
And what they did is they actually cut the tub inside. See that? They cut it and they put this whole carbon fiber.
Is it the whole original?
So this car was not made by Mercedes-Benz. It was made by another company afterwards. Like, they took a Black Series or some sort of a CLK and then they, you know, added all the stuff to it. They did a nice job.
The knuckle is interesting.
See, it has the knuckles, it has the coilovers, bigger brakes. It's a serious knuckle. I'm sure the differential is different.
If I'm not mistaken, this one was for C63 actually. This
Brembos? Look at this. How sick is that?
That's crazy.
Diff cooler, nice. Eisenman. Someone's cooked here.
Has a slightly different heat exchanger than usual.
Yeah, that's side shift.
It's additional coolers.
You want to make this one louder and faster?
I'm gonna ask him.
Because these can also go.
Obviously, it will sound better. I've never even seen an Eisenman exhaust in this. Look at this. So these things actually have inlets in the back. Yeah, they go all the way there.
Cool.
And they go right to the engine mounts.
And cooling the engine mounts.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Well, I guess because there's that like channel there and it blows all the air.
The engine is very clean. So the oil pan is sweating a little bit, but it's nothing crazy.
I think transmission service, rear diff service.
Bushings are good. Tie rods look good.
Felt a little. Yeah, there's a click. Maybe we should change these. You can feel it if you pull it.
Look,
This click.
look. Yeah.
Yeah. It needs outer sway bar links.
Well, there's no such thing as inner sway bar.
Well,
It's just sway bar.
whatever.
Sway bar is adjustable, you see? You can change it. You can switch it around. It's very cool to see how they used to build them.
When I was his age, I was taking the TTC. and then I discovered what lease and finance is.
There's an upgrade one. There's no.
Bro. That's cool. I would just hate to be the guy doing this alignment. There's so many adjustments.
Don't forget, besides all the performance upgrades and builds that we do, we also offer regular service and maintenance for your European vehicle, whether it's a daily driver or a weekend toy or a blue chip collector's car, we can do it all.